Good day, folks, welcome back. Today I want to talk about the Wurkkos model TD07 Tactical Light. It's a nice compact little light that I've got it, first time I've seen one of these, so I'm going to unbox it here now and see what's in the box. Okay, it just comes with let's get this out here, notice card. User's manual. It's the light itself. Okay, it's nice and compact. And okay, charging cable, and looks like a couple spare O-rings. So yeah, everything you need. So this is the Wurkkos TD07, folks. It has 3 modes of operation. Let's just take the battery out first and go with that. So it has a built-in, a replaceable lithium-ion battery, 1100 milliamps. Okay. Spare O-rings that go on each end of these of the case. The lens comes off also if you want to take it off. I won't take it off there now. I'll just leave it there. So it's nice compact light, replaceable battery, and let's just put it back together here. Yeah, it fits in your hand quite nice. Anyway, so guys, let's take a few minutes here now, go through the features on the light. So, like I said, it has a built-in lithium-ion battery that is rechargeable, and it recharges through the USB-C port that you see here, and comes with the cable, of course. And when you plug it in and charge it up, I have it charged up now, charged up overnight. When you plug it in, the light will be red while it's charging. LED right here, and when it's finished charging, the LED will turn green. So the different modes of operation you have on here is you have the outdoor mode, which is this setting here, and this is a rotary switch here that allows you to control the different modes of operation. So if you're in the outdoor mode and half click on the button on the end, and if you do a little half click again, turns it off, turns it on, half click turns it on once, half click again, and it rotates through the brightness zone. So you can see this is at maximum brightness right now. If I do a half click again, switches to the lowest mode. One more half click, medium light, another half click, and it goes to brightness mode. This is a little funky. I'm not fond of this half click, full click option on the button here. If you press and hold that button, it turns the unit off. Like I said, in order to get the unit back on, then I have to do half click, and it is a little difficult. Got to get used to that for sure on the half click. So see, it's double click brings it on, half click. So yeah, I'm not fond of that half click operation there. Wish it was much cleaner than that, but you can see you got to get used to it. Turn the half click, and then press and hold it, turn it off. Lock mode, right here. If you leave it in lock mode, you can actually still have light by pressing and holding the button, and that gives you temporary low light if you need it for something quick and dirty. Tactical mode is this setting right here, and in tactical mode, again, there's a half click and do a 2 click, full click operation. So if I do a half click, it stays on. Okay. If I do a double click, if I click and hold it, switches to strobe mode. So it's a little, again, a little funky on the half click, full click on that button there. Now, in saying that, it's a very bright light, but like I said, I'm not fond of this half click, full click operation on the switch. I'm trying to do a half click here. Half click tactical keeps, and I hold it, keeps it on. If I do a full click, it switches to strobe mode. So not like I said, if it was a dedicated switch or something like that, it might be better, but I'm not fond of this half click, full click. So let's go back to daytime mode and turn it on. And again, it's in the lowest setting, another half click. It switches to medium, full, another half click, goes to full mode. So it is a very bright light, guys. I will put it up on the specs up here on the screen so you can see what the lumen levels are for all the different levels. Just turn it off here now for a second so I don't blind the camera. It does come with this clamp that you can rotate around. It fits nice in your hand like that. Or again, you can clip it on to your hat or something, or a backpack or whatever. But it is the TD07 Tactical Light. So go check them out, guys. It's from Wurkkos. Like I said, they sent me to have a look at it. It comes with the USB charging port, replaceable lithium-ion battery, 3 modes of operation, daylight mode, lock mode, tactical mode, and again, all the modes are controlled by the click on the button on the end. So go check them out. It's the Wurkkos TD07, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video.